Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with a YubiKey for Gmail logins, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with a YubiKey for Gmail logins, start by ensuring you have a YubiKey on hand. Insert the YubiKey into your computer's USB port or connect it via NFC for mobile devices. Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail's login page. Enter your email address and click on the Next button. Input your password and click on Next again. Once you reach the two-factor authentication prompt, click on Use Security Key. If prompted, select your YubiKey from the available options. If you're using a USB YubiKey, touch the metal button on the key when instructed. For NFC-enabled devices, hold your YubiKey against the back of your phone. Once the YubiKey is recognized, you will be granted access to your Gmail account. To enhance security, go to your Google account settings. Click on Security from the left-hand menu. Locate the Signing into Google section. Select Two-Step Verification. Scroll down to find the Security Keys section. You can add additional YubiKeys by selecting Add Security Key. Follow the on-screen instructions to register any new YubiKey. After registration, your new YubiKeys will be available for account logins. Test the setup by logging out and attempting to log back into Gmail with your YubiKey. This ensures your security key works seamlessly with your Gmail account. With these steps, you've successfully authenticated your Gmail login using a YubiKey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.